Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the types of structure on the basis of degree of indeterminacy. So we learn in detail what is the degree of indeterminacy and what are the types of structure based on the degree of indeterminacy. So there are two types of structure. First is determinant, second is indeterminate. So as you know, the state of equilibrium, any plane frame structure which is in a state of equilibrium under the action of any externally applied force system must satisfy the three conditions. What are these three conditions? The sum of the horizontal components of all applied forces must equal to 0. Second is the sum of the vertical components of all applied forces must equal to 0. Third is the sum of the moments of all applied forces must equal to 0. So these are three conditions of equilibrium. So when the structure is determinant, so we can solve that structure through these three equations, and when the structure is indeterminate, so we cannot solve those type of structure through these equations. So in indeterminate structures we should have further equations which helps us to solve that type of structures. In order to differentiate between determinate and indeterminate structures, there is a term known as degree of indeterminacy used to calculate for these structures. On the basis of this degree of indeterminacy, there are three types of structures such as unstable structure, determinate structures, and indeterminate structure. When the degree of indeterminacy is equal to 0, that means it is determinate structure. When the degree of indeterminacy is less than 0, then it is unstable structure. When the degree of indeterminacy is greater than 0, then it is called the indeterminate structure. The formula to calculate degree of indeterminacy in beams is 3m plus r minus 3n. So here m is number of members, r is number of reactions, and n is number of nodes. And we can show the degree of indeterminacy by ID. To calculate degree of indeterminacy in trusses, the formula used is m plus r minus 2n, where m is number of members, r is number of reactions, and n is number of nodes. The condition for unstable truss, determinate truss, and indeterminate truss is same as the beams. Now in frames, the degree of indeterminacy can be calculated by the formula 3m plus r minus 3n. So the m is number of members, r is number of reactions, and n is number of nodes. And the conditions for unstable frame, determinate frame, and indeterminate frame is same as the trusses and as the beams. So in this video we learn the degree of indeterminacy and the formula to calculate degree of indeterminacy in beams, trusses, and frames.